Hey y'all, welcome back to Cooking with Renee. And yes, y'all getting me 2 times in one day. I'm finna get ready to put this pot pie, chicken pot pie together for y'all, homemade. So I've already prepped and everything, so we gonna jump right off into getting this done. All right, I boiled 4 leg quarters. So if you separate that, that's 4 legs and 4 thighs. That's 8 pieces of chicken. I cleaned them, deboned it, get all the veins and all the slimy stuff off. And I used a cup of chicken broth. And to that, I'm going to add a can of cream of chicken soup. Okay, a can of chicken noodles, cream of chicken noodle soup, and also these Campbell's oven sauces. I got the chicken pot pie kind. Now my girlfriend told me about these. A real good friend of mine told me about these, and they're actually pretty good because normally I would just use cream of chicken soup. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix the two because I like the flavors from both. So I'm just going to mix the two. And I also I shredded the chicken up. I'm going to add that. Now, I'm not sure what everybody likes in their chicken pot pie, but me, I like peas. So, I got a can of baby sweet peas, and I didn't cook them or boil them. And then I cut up 2 large potatoes, and I chunked it up. I'm going to put that in there. And then I cut up a bag of fresh carrots, and I boiled the potatoes. And I boiled the carrots in the chicken broth. So I did everything kind of separately, but I cooked everything all that in that chicken broth to give it some flavor. Okay. Now, normally I make some biscuits, not the kind out the can. I make use some Bisquick or baking mix and make some biscuits and put them on top of my pot pie. But today I'm going to use a pie crust, which I'll show you in just a few minutes. So I'm going to just give it a little extra seasoning, some pepper. Oh Lord, don't sneeze. My favorite seasoning, which my girlfriend don't like me using. But it ain't done killed my family. Now, I don't think it's going to do anything. Hell, I made it 46 years eating this, so I'm just almost positive it ain't gonna be the death of me tomorrow. And if it is, then it was nice knowing everybody. Some Goya. These are my seasonings of choice. You guys use whatever you know want to season with. And a little seasoning salt. That is a nice, thick, hearty filling. All right. It's all in there. This is going to be so good. Look at that. Yes, that looks good. All right, now I have a metal pie pan. Now this is actually normal. I mean, bigger than your normal size pie pans. Yeah, I know everything I have is like actually really big, right? Yeah, because I don't know how to do anything small. All right, so I'm gonna take the first one out. Yeah, just go and get you some, you know, pie crust. The kind with the top, well, the two pie crusts in it, so you can use one for a top and a bottom. Or, like I said, you can do the Bisquick, and you can just put the filling in a pan. Nothing on the bottom, just all the filling in a pan, and then you just, you know, you make your pie. I mean, you make your biscuits, and you just spoon all over until it's all the way covered up. But today, I am doing a pie crust. Okay. Get it in there. No, don't put anything on the bottom of your pan. You'll be fine. And then you just start to fill it. I'm gonna have extra filling, so I'm probably gonna end up making another pie somewhere down the line. Probably tomorrow. Never know. I've not tried to freeze this yet, so I can't you know, tell you if this is good to freeze, because I haven't tried it yet. But I want my pie to be hearty, so I'm gonna get as much of this filling in here as I can without going over the top. I got a dish towel off to the side here. Y'all can't see, but just got it off to the side because I need all of my space on the table. So, ooh, that's gonna be good. Claude, have mercy. Yes, honey. It's gonna be nice and meaty. All right. Yeah, I got enough for a small one. I have more pie crust in there, but I might just go on and make some with the biscuits. I don't know. Anyways, let's go on and get this other one on top. Pop it in the oven. We're gonna cook this on 350 degrees for about 45 minutes to an hour. Come on off of there now. Why are you gonna act like that? Alright. Got it. Ah, don't tear on me. Alright. I'm gonna go like this. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over the top of this, and I'm just gonna cut around it from the edge of the pan all the way around. And cut that excess off. Okay. To the side, and then I'm just going to fold over the rest of the outside or the inside. Just gonna fold it over. Okay. Then I'm just gonna ventilate it a little bit. Make a couple of slits in it. Here and there. And I'm gonna put it in the oven. Alright. There it is. Now, we're gonna put this in the oven. And you guys join me back. When I come back, this will be the finished cooking. It's gonna cool down. And I'll be able to cut this up and serve it. Also, I'll cut the brownies up and serve them as well. So you guys stay tuned and join me back, and I'll cut the brownies and the pie up, and we'll have dinner and dessert. Thank you for watching, and I would love it if you guys would like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for cooking with Renee.